Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set default project settings and presets in Davinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful because it saves you time by automatically applying your preferred settings to every new project you create, so you won't have to manually configure them each time. First, open your Davinci Resolve application and let's get started. Once you're in, look towards the lower right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the project settings. Go ahead and click on it, and it will open up the project settings window where you can customize various aspects of your project. Now, to set your default project settings, direct your attention to the top right corner of the settings window. You'll see three dots there, which represent a menu with additional options. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Set Current Settings as Default Preset. This action tells Davinci Resolve that you want these specific settings to be applied automatically to all your future projects. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to verify that you want to update the default settings. Simply click Update to confirm your choice. This ensures that your current configuration becomes the standard template for any new project you start. Now, let's say you want to create a new custom preset with different settings. For example, you might want to check the option labeled Use Vertical Resolution for projects that require a different aspect ratio. After enabling this option, click the three dots again in the top right corner. This time, select Save Current Settings as Preset from the menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to input a name for this new preset. Type in a descriptive name that helps you remember what this preset is for, then click OK to save it. Once you've created your new preset, click the three dots one more time. You'll now see the preset you just created listed in the menu. Click on it to select it, and then choose Set as Default Preset from the options. A confirmation dialog will appear, so go ahead and click Set to finalize this as your new default. And that's it. You've successfully configured your default project settings and created custom presets in Davinci Resolve. This setup will streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across all your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.